I'm talking to you, I don't know what to say, but I can call up a stranger and talk my whole life away. Milwaukee margaritas, I didn't know that was a thing. Carry me home, marry me now, I promise you everything. Chanel in every city, simply talk that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl EMED here. We just finished doing our Pilates class. It was really fun. I really want to incorporate doing that like once a week every morning, so I'm gonna try to like implement that in my morning routine. But yeah, that was really cool. I thought it was gonna be like a butt workout, but it was more like a guns and ab workout. But I didn't mind that at all. I really love the instructor in there. She's really nice. So right now we are on our way to try the Hailey Bieber drink that they have in LA. They have like a little dupe here in Atlanta. It's called E Plus Rose, and they have her drink. So I'm about to go ahead and try that out real quick, and then I'm gonna go home, get some gas because I'm driving this car with no gas, baby. Get some gas and then get some real food to eat. So yeah, I'm gonna go get the smoothie real quick, and then I'll check with you guys back once I get that.
All I hear is that, yes it is. My ears are sensitive. Tell me that it's mine. All I hear is that,
Okay, so I just got my drink. We're gonna try it real quickly. He ended up giving me a size up, but this is what it looks like. So cute. They're so nice in there, by the way. So yeah, I'm gonna try it. This is a big ass drink. I'm not gonna finish this for sure. It just tastes real healthy. Like nothing spectacular about this. Hey you guys, so it's been a couple of days. Just made it to work. We have 3 clients today. Hold on y'all. Let me like stop this music. We have 3 clients today, so I'm just gonna vlog a little bit, and we also are gonna go out later, and then I also need to pack everything, well not everything, but like a few things in this room because we're going to New York in a couple of days. So yeah, let me go ahead and start setting everything up before my client gets here, and I will see you guys when she gets here. So I just finished my clients for the day. I'm about to go ahead and pack the suite out because like I said, we are going to New York. So I'm gonna pack everything up. So that's what I'm doing right now. I also need to let me bring my chair over here. I'm also like changing my vendor because you guys, my vendor, I am so like irritated and tired of my vendor because literally like the past, well not even, this has been happening a lot lately, but like lately the trays they've been giving me, I don't like them at all. So I'm like, you know what, I don't like them at all. I was even like literally like I almost like filed a dispute with them the second time, and then the third time I definitely filed a dispute with them because I'm like, this is, you guys are just sending me whatever you guys want to send me, and I hate it, and it's affecting my work, and yeah, it's just a whole hassle with that. So I'm like, I'm gonna go find another vendor. I found a vendor. I ended up finding a really good vendor. I really like them. I was testing them out earlier today, so I'm gonna go ahead and place my order with that. So all this that's in here, I'm gonna use them, of course. Well, I'm not gonna use all of them. I'm gonna Like the ones that's like unusable, I'm gonna get rid of them. And then the ones that they're not so bad, I'm gonna use them for my clients because, you know, they're obviously not so bad. But like literally, I probably wasted like close to $4,000 with my vendor, so I'm tired of wasting money with them. That's the thing of like being an entrepreneur, you literally lose money sometimes. So yeah, I'm tired of wasting my money with them. But anyways, I'm about to go ahead and start packing because we are going to New York, and some of these trays I need to bring to New York with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clear out my trays and then bring my ring light and my glues and stuff. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do now, and then we're gonna go home. So yeah.
I'ma tell you this one time, boy, I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about.
So it's the next day. Sorry I look a mess, you guys, but I'm getting ready to pack up for New York, so that's why it's a mess back here. But remember yesterday I told you guys that I needed to look for a new vendor. So that's basically what I am doing. Even though the vendor that I tried out yesterday, I feel like I'm gonna end up going with them. I also got a package yesterday from another brand. Even though I might as well just try it out. It's so cute. They sent me a card, like, and they wrote a note, like, and it just says, "Dear ma'am, we really appreciate your trust, and we are proud to be your business partner." Looks like just gonna be my business partner. We promise we will give you our best service and the highest quality from the beginning to the end. Best regard, your sincere, Caroline. That was really cute. So they also gave me that. They gave me like a voucher card. They gave me a glue to try, which I thought was really sweet because I didn't ask for any glue. But I love when company just sends extra stuff. So I'm actually gonna try the glue, even though I love my glue vendor. Maybe should I try out the glue? I don't think I should, but they gave me glue, which is cute. They gave me glue, and then they gave me the 3 trays that I wanted to test out. So I'm pretty excited to try them. I'm just gonna go see how I'm actually gonna give them a chance and try their trays out. So yeah, I'm really, really excited. If they're actually good, I don't mind having 2 vendors, because honestly, what I learned with my vendor is do not put all your ducks in a row. So it doesn't hurt to have 2 vendors. I'm actually gonna go ahead and try their trays out as well. And what I do is just, what I look for when I'm trying out new vendors is, my biggest one is just making sure, for one, when I pull out the hairs from the strips, it's like there's no glue residue on the lashes. Like, you want to make sure your lashes pull out seamlessly. I also test out their curls. I'm making sure their curls last, like they don't flatten out throughout weeks. So like when you're lashing your clients and you're putting, and because when you're lashing your clients and when they come in for a fill, you want to make sure the new fans that you're putting in your clients' fill length is the same curl. Like, so again, you want to make sure the curl quality stays the same. Like, it doesn't, the curl doesn't loosen for wear. So you could just test that out by being in a humid room and making sure like the curls are not falling flat. So that's one. And then two, how it fans. I feel like that's another big thing. Like, you want to make sure you're liking the fans, because honestly sometimes it's not you, it's the product. So yeah, you want to make sure when you're fanning, you're actually, it's fans beautiful, like it looks beautiful. Like, and then the last thing I test out is just the color, because another thing too, they have like different kind of trays. They have like velvet, they have matte black. So that's another preference for you too. Like, if you're looking for more of like a shine, like cashmere trays, I believe, will have like a shine. If you're looking for more of like a matte finish velvet tray. When trying out vendors, you definitely want to think of like how you want your sets to look. If you want them really matte and really dark, and you're looking for more of like a velvet, no kind of shine kind of tray. And then I definitely, for like bottom lashes, you definitely want that, because I feel like you don't want your bottom lashes to be shiny. So yeah, that's just a tip that you guys can take. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning up. I'm gonna test out these trays and finish cleaning up. I'm still doing laundry, and I also need to pack, because like I said before, we're leaving to go to New York tomorrow, but that's gonna be in a different vlog. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Actually, I'm gonna finish packing, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, which is going to be my New York vlog, and just basically how I am a multi-state lash tech. So yeah, I hope you guys are liking these vlogs, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.